Hi guys, over here I do have a DStv remote control, and in this video I'll be guiding you on how to reset your DStv remote control and fix any problem like the DStv remote control not working, or it is not responding with your DStv, or the problem where some buttons are not just working on your DStv remote control. Keep in mind this is going to work out for literally any DStv remote control you have, and basically what you want to do is to turn over to the back of your DStv remote control, and then you want to open up the battery pack just like so, and then proceed to remove both batteries from your DStv remote control just like so. And at this point you want to go ahead and long press on this power button over here for about 10 seconds. So just press and hold for about 10 seconds, and after the 10 seconds you can go ahead and put back your batteries inside of your DStv remote control. But at this point you also want to make sure that you do have good AA batteries for your DStv remote control. So if you find out that your batteries are melting when you press them, or they are already swelling, or just not good enough, then you can replace the batteries and then proceed to insert them inside of your DStv remote control. You want to make sure that the part of the battery that is the negative part, or the bottom, which is usually this part, should face the part of the battery pack that has a spring. So this part that is absolutely flat should face the spring of the battery pack, and then the part that has an edge should face the other side of the battery pack just like so. And then you want to do the same thing for the other battery as well. The flat of it should face the part that has a spring just like so, and you're good to go. Now what you want to do is to cover up your battery pack, and the next thing you want to do now is to long press on the info button and the back button for about 3 to 5 seconds, because we have just reset the remote control and we need to pair it back with the decoder. So press and hold the info button and the back button for about 3 to 5 seconds, and you're going to see the red light flashing just like so. Now once it's flashed, it has automatically now paired with your DStv, and you can now go ahead and start using your remote control. And I hope this was helpful. If it was, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.